Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and whoever is new, welcome to my channel. As you can see the title of my video, today's video is all about the art that I have done recently, that means last day only, and you should check it out first and then I'll talk to you later on. So what we people are waiting for, just let's get started. As you can see, I have taken the pencil, eraser and three color pens, that's orange, black and green, and then I have taken four sketch pens, deep green, light green, yellow and orange. It might look like red but it is not red. And I have taken the artist watercolor cakes. It has I think 18 shades, and I have taken the compass as well. For the watercolor, as we all know, we need the water, and here is the water, and we need the brushes. So I have taken two brushes. One is a thinner one, another one is the thicker one. I have taken the plain white paper, that is obviously a A4 sheet, and started doing the half circle with the help of the compass, and then started doing that petals. The whole pencil sketch has taken me around 5 to 6 minutes with the quotation, but the most of the time it has taken to color the whole thing, and it has taken not more than 15 or 20 minutes. I have written here sun is shining, so you can write whatever you want to write. And I have started doing the border with the sketch pens. I have taken the orange and the yellow sketch pen for the petals, and for the leaf the dark green one. To fill the petals and leaves, I have taken the colors. You can see I have taken the watercolors mostly, and for the petals I have taken yellow, and for the leaves I have taken green. And I have done the bordering part with the black one, and I have written the quotation with the black ink. If you think that any other color will pop up, you can write it with that. Now you can see almost the final product, the final result actually, and I'm very happy after doing the whole thing. After whatever I get, whatever I have tried, I have tried this thing for the first time. For the mandala one, I have already told you the same thing, that also I have tried for the first time, and I will link the video too. No need to worry for that, you can check it once. And here it is. One thing that has missed, you can see in the next picture, that I have done some little detailing with the black gel ink pen. You can see hopefully in the video, and it is the final result. I hope people will like it. It is not that proper tutorial, but yeah, you can take it as a tutorial. I just loved it. Here I have done a detailing video so that you people can see what are the things that I have done, because at that time I forgot to do that and I was just lost in this drawing. So for that reason, sorry guys. And you can see the things, the small thing. This black color enhanced the whole thing. So that for that reason I have used the black color for the small detailing one. And you can see it has came out very nicely, and I personally liked it. The last one I have done, that was just a black and white thing, and it has some color, it is very bright. So yeah, I have done that. You can consider it as a tutorial kind of a thing. And I got the reference of that particular picture from the Pinterest. So you people already know that Pinterest has the wide range of collection of those kind of a thing. And here is the thing. I hope you can see the thing is clear, right? If you can just imagine that I have framed it, and the black border is over there, then you can see the whole look of the particular thing will get changed. And if you people want to decorate your room, or maybe your living room or drawing room, with your activity or with your creativity, then this one is the best thing you can do. So just don't waste your time, just do some productive thing. And for today, Bye bye. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and what else? Just stay happy, be positive, and keep doing this kind of a thing, and just utilize your time very positively. Bye bye, guys.